Decorating for Christmas can seem quite overwhelming, especially if you love Christmas like I do. So this year, not to feel stressed or overwhelmed, I'm breaking my rooms up into sections. That's right. Instead of me coming on here doing an entire room at one time and posting a video, I decided, listen, let me give you smaller bites so you and I can enjoy it together. I'm starting off in my living room, and today my focus is tabletop styling. Now enjoy the video to music, and I'll be back towards the end.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high. street choir caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square.
I'm loving the space so far, but I yet have to add some pillow covers, a throw, a couple of furniture pieces, and a few more surprises. So you know what to do. Stick and stay and make sure you don't miss the full Christmas home tour. I have to keep something, something for the home tour. I appreciate you watching the video from start to finish. And if you're new here, well, please consider joining my Priceless family. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Well, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you on my next video. Now, if you missed my Christmas shopping haul or my Christmas tablescape, make sure and check those videos out before leaving YouTube on today.